property of parallelogram? What is the property of parallelogram? What are the properties?
Opposite angles are equal.
One,
Sides are
others mute.
equal.
Others mute.
sides are parallel.
Only Nikita is answering. Others please mute. Answer Nikita. Nikita is not there. Okay. Others now. Manoj.
Opposite sides are parallel. Opposite angles are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Diagonals bisect each other. Adjacent angles are supplementary.
Very good. So all this property. First one is opposite angles are equal. So when that opposite angles are equal, everything will come. Square, rectangle. So square is a parallelogram. All the squares are parallelogram. All the rectangles are parallelogram. But all the parallelograms are not square. Okay. All the squares are parallelogram, but all the parallelograms are not square. Who is going to justify? Who is going to justify, Tarunesh?
Ma'am, because sometimes even all the four sides may not be equal in
Yeah, in
parallelogram.
parallelogram, only opposite sides are equal. Angles are equal, but opposite sides are equal. Need not to be 90. Parallelogram need not to be 90 degree. So you should write that. Suppose if they ask that question and justify, you should write that correct property. Okay. Now, opposite sides are equal. When it comes to opposite sides are equal, again square will come in that category. Rectangle will come in that category. Parallelogram will come in that category. Rhombus also will come in that category. Okay. Now, so that is why we say all rectangles are parallelogram. Okay. And then third one, diagonals are by diagonals bisect. No, diagonals 90 degree only in rhombus and square. Diagonals 90 degree only in rhombus and square. Diagonals are equal. When it will become equal, observe. Diagonals are equal in two quadrilateral. Which are the two quadrilateral diagonals are equal?
Square and rectangle.
Square and rectangle. Very good. Why Tarunesh is answering? You changed your name, or I am hearing.
No, ma'am. I thought you told ma'am that time. I didn't answer. No, that's why I answered.
Late connectivity problem, lagging, internet.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Wi-Fi also very slow, ma'am.
Very slow. So you will answer my first question when I'm asking the third question,
No, ma'am.
Okay, diagonals bisect each other. Square, rectangle, rhombus, everywhere diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect at 90, parallelogram it will not come. Then one more extra property we are learning here. Adjacent angles are supplementary. Adjacent angles are supplementary. Like angle A plus angle B should be 180. Adjacent angles are supplementary. Fourth property, adjacent angles are supplementary. These are the important things of parallelogram. These are the important things of parallelogram. Okay, should not forget that.
Now, opposite sides are parallel, forgot.
Opposite sides are parallel and equal. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. Very good. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. Opposite angles are equal. Diagonals bisect each other. Adjacent angles are supplementary. You should never forget. These are basic. Okay, children. You should not forget the basic at all. Okay, now third main. Now go to the third main of exercise 3.3. Priyanka, can you read? You see page number and read. Priyanka, can you see the board, all of you? Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Priyanka, read the page number and exercise number.
Page number 51.
Yes.
Page 51, exercise 3.3.
Third main.
Can a quadrilateral ABCD be a parallelogram?
Can a quadrilateral ABCD be a parallelogram? If
If angle D plus angle B is equals to 180 degree.
Okay, very good. That's all is given. Okay. So you can draw a parallelogram if you have a doubt. Okay. A, B, C, D. In this, D and B, when you add, you get 180. Okay. So is it same? They are asking. Is it a parallelogram? What is the answer? Priyanka?
Yes, ma'am.
Priyanka, Rima.
It is a parallelogram.
Priyanka, I asked Dharnesh. Priyanka and Rima. Rima, answer. Quickly. Okay, Parinita. Can a quadrilateral be a parallelogram?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Parinita, open your eyes and see. D plus B is 180. What is our last property says? What is our
Ma'am,
last property?
adjacent angles are 180 supplementary.
But here opposite angles are supplementary is given. No, how can this be same?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
what is the answer, Parinita? Nikita? Girls, please open your mouth and answer. Kusandra, what is the answer for this?
No, ma'am, because
No. Why no? Simply you will write no and leave it off.
because adjacent angles means 180 degree, not
Adjacent angle
opposite
should be
angle.
180, not opposite angles. Opposite angles are equal in parallelogram. What you will write reason? What you will write reason? Opposite angles are
Equal in parallelogram.
correct. Like that you should write. So this cannot be our parallelogram. This is some quadrilateral. Okay. Maybe it is a square or something. Okay. Now maybe it will be a square or rectangle, but it cannot be a parallelogram. Okay. Can a quadrilateral be a parallelogram? D and B opposite angles, but actually square is also a parallelogram. So what you will tell? Opposite angles are equal in parallelogram, but what actually no is the answer. But we can write. We can tell all squares are in square. Opposite angles are in square and rectangle. You write that, okay. If you have a doubt, you can write in square and rectangle. D plus B will be 180. Correct? No, 90 plus 90. That is why Parinita got confused. Okay. In square and rectangle, this is possible. All squares and rectangles are parallelogram. All squares and rectangles are parallelogram. Okay, but parallelogram should be having opposite angles are equal. Okay, it need not to be 180. You should have adjacent angles are supplementary. You should have adjacent angles are supplementary. You should have adjacent angles are supplementary. It can be parallelogram, but we cannot say always. If you want, you can write like that. Can be a parallelogram, but we cannot say always. Okay. Is it okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we write like that? Can be a parallelogram, but we cannot say always. We will not write no. Then we will not write no in your classwork. We will write can be. Can be a parallelogram, but not always. But not always. Correct. That means that Parinita's answer is correct. Next. Like that you should write. Okay. B and C, can you do on your own? We'll go to fourth sum.
Yes, ma'am.
Fourth
Yes,
sum,
ma'am.
Priyanka. Fourth sum.
Draw a rough figure
Draw a rough figure.
of a quadrilateral
Draw a rough figure of
quadrilateral
quadrilateral,
that is not a parallelogram.
which is not a parallelogram. It's not a parallelogram. It should not be a parallelogram at all. One quadrilateral, but should not be a parallelogram. But it's actually.
Ma'am, rhombus.
But has exactly two opposite angles.
But as exactly two opposite angles.
Angles of equal measure. Angles of equal measure.
How will you draw a figure of quadrilateral which is not a parallelogram?
Ma'am, rhombus.
Rectangle.
Kite only we can draw like this. It's not a parallelogram, but opposite angles are equal. This will come equal like this sometime. Okay, this two will be equal. Kite only you can draw like this only. Okay, so draw a rough diagram which is not a parallel. Opposite angles are equal measure, but but all the sides are different. These two sides will be equal in kite actually. So kite actually we deleted. Okay, this question is a rare question for us. Then too we should understand. Okay, now fifth one. Which is the fifth question?
The measures of two adjacent angles.
Measures that two different angles, two adjacent angles of parallelogram. Measures that
Are,
two adjacent angles of parallelogram
are in the ratio
are in the ratio
3 by 2.
3:2. So the two adjacent angles, okay, you have to draw a parallelogram here. Adjacent angles are 3:2. This is 3x means this is 2x. Okay, and then what you should find? To
Find the
find
measures of
the measure of each angle. Find angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. Find angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. You can write given. Okay, given. Given is ABCD is a parallelogram. Given is ABCD is a given is what? ABCD is a parallelogram.
Parallelogram.
Second point, adjacent angles are. Second point, adjacent. Second point is what?
Angles are supplementary.
adjacent angles are supplementary.
No. Given is adjacent angles are 3:2. Okay, to find angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. So consider 3:2. Whenever ratio comes, no children, you should write it as 3x, 2x. Okay. So now use the property. Now proof. Now solution you put solution. Okay, in the solution you write the theorem. What is the theorem? Adjacent. What is the theorem?
Angles are supplementary.
Adjacent angles are supplementary.
Angles of what? Adjacent angles of
parallelogram.
parallelogram. That is
Parallelogram.
very important. Adjacent angles of parallelogram is very, very important. Okay. Adjacent angles of parallelogram are supplementary. So according to this property, angle A plus angle B should be 180. Correct? Now Chaitanya, what will come next step? Chaitanya, your speaker is working. No, only your camera is not working. Tell me. So 3x plus 3x plus
2x.
equal. I don't think so. That is Chaitanya's voice. 3x plus 2x is equal to 180. So what is that next step? Chaitanya, next step.
5x is equal to 180.
5x equals to 180 degree.
If all of you talk, how will I able to recognize Chaitanya's voice? Okay. X is equal to next step.
Ma'am, 180 x is equals to 180 by 5.
Okay. Is this Chaitanya?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. That is good. Because see, a good shepherd should know the voice of the sheep. Like that, a good teacher also should recognize the voice in these online classes. So I want to hear everybody's voice and I want to know everybody's voice. Okay. Then now what is the answer here? Then Chaitanya, what is the answer? 3, 5,
Ma'am, 36. 36.
Very good. 36. So angle A. Now come to angle A. Angle A is equal to 3x. 3x means 3 into 36. What is 3 into 6? Aha, this is dancing with me. 108.
108.
Now tell Alden what is angle B. Others mute. Alden, tell me what is angle B. B is 2x, right? Gopi, if his speaker is not working, Gopi. 2x, correct. 2 into 36. 2 into 36. What is 2 into 36? What is 2 into 36?
72.
72, ma'am.
Alden, I want answer from Alden. Now angle C. Now what is angle C? Tell me. Angle C should
Angle A is equal to
angle
angle
C should
C
be
as
equal to angle
opposite
A.
angles are equal.
Very good. Who said this answer?
Manoj ma'am.
Manoj. I'm asking Alden to answer.
Ma'am, Alden has mic problem, it seems.
Mic
He's
problem.
messaging in chat box.
Okay. Then you can answer. Then Manoj can answer. Angle C is equal to angle A. So what you should write in the bracket? What I should write in the
Opposite
bracket?
angles are equal.
Angles of parallelogram. You are missing that. Opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. So angle C is also 108. What is angle D?
72 degrees.
72 degree. Why 72 degree? Why 72 degree?
Opposite angles of parallelogram are equal.
Very good. Everywhere reason is important, children. Simply if you write the answer, your evaluator, if unknown evaluator is there, they will think that you have seen the answer and writing. Okay. So everywhere reason if you write only, you are understanding Gina ma'am's concept and then writing. The meaning is like that. Okay. When you don't write the reason, it's like you simply copying from some guide or somewhere, not understanding. Mathematics very important. You should understand each and every question. Otherwise, it is very difficult, children. Okay, to score marks, especially to score excellent marks. Not a easy question. Not very easy. Okay. Now, yeah, I think you can do the other sums on your own. Okay, study. Which are all the homework we can give you? Homework. Third main, second, third. Okay. Then we have done fourth one. We have done fifth one. Sixth we can do. Seventh we can try. Just see whether you can do seventh or we need to do seventh.
Ma'am, we can do, ma'am.
We can do. Okay, seventh sum we can do. If you want,
Same as third main only, ma'am. Second main.
if you want eighth sum, one sum we will do. Okay, eighth sum, one sum. Who's going to dictate? First sum we'll do. Eighth sum.
Ma'am, I will dictate, ma'am.
Dictate. The following.
The following figure GUNF and RONF are parallelogram.
Very good. Who's reading?
Tanmay, ma'am.
Tanmay. Good. Tanmay didn't read guns. Tanmay read GUNS. Very good. It's written GUNS, but it is gun. But here it is given GUNS. Okay. Or parallelogram. So given will come. GUNS and RUNS. Are parallelogram. Given is GUNS and RUNS are parallelogram. Okay. This is given. Okay.
Find X and Y.
Okay. Very good. Find
length in centimeter.
To find X and Y. So where is X? Where is Y? We should check. So in the figure, this is 26 and this is 3x, correct? GS. And this is 18. Am I right? 3y minus 1. Tanmay, am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you see opposite sides are equal. So 3y minus 1 is equal to 26. You should write down. Because it's a parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal. In the parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Because of computer, this net lagging problem, this is stopped off in the middle. Okay. Okay. Now you come. Now you write down the theorem. What is the theorem? Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Okay. So GU is equal to SN. GU is equal to SN. What is GU? Priyanka? What is GU?
3y minus 1.
Correct. GU is
3y minus 1.
3y minus 1. SN?
26.
So now you should do the linear equation. This is a linear equation with one variable. So this minus 1 crosses the equals and what will happen? It will become 26 plus 1. So what is the answer? 27. 3y is 27. So what is y? 3y means 3 into y. So multiplication will become division when crosses the equal sign. So 27 by 3. What is the answer?
9.
9. So After that, y value we found out. Now x value we should calculate. How will we calculate x value? Go back to the figure again. These two sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. So GS is equal to UN. What you should put? GS is equal to UN. You should put. GS is equal to UN. This board is not moving. Movements more it will move off. Tell me the next sentence. Next sentence. GS is
3x
equal
is equal
to UN. Write the reason, children, here. Every time you should write the reason. Opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Every time must write. Okay, GS is 3x. What is UN? 18. So x is equal to
18 by 3.
18 by 3 x. So x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 9. So every sum, what is the property you are using, you must write, children. That's more important. I think now you can do the sums which I gave you as homework. So you can easily do now. See, what are all the homework? Third main, second and third sum. Then sixth sum and seventh sum. Eighth first sum I have done. We'll do some and eighth sum tomorrow. Tomorrow, do we have a class? Yeah, Wednesday, no, we have class. Okay, very good, very good. So, any doubt? So, you know all the properties, you should learn. Okay, and also you should practice every day. Every day, 45 minutes mathematics practice is compulsory. Are you doing? You should not
Yes,
give
ma'am.
gap. You should not
Yes,
give gap.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, every day
Daily
maths.
I'm doing, ma'am.
Very good, super. Every day you must do. Every day 45 minutes or 1 hour compulsory. If you miss that 1 hour, you cannot score like others. You cannot excel in subject. I want everyone to excel in your subject, okay?